guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I go to now with better style, with the style of men where they work as men, with the better style of men where get wife for the tell them say that they go wrong, they'll call reposition themselves, they reposition themselves, call adjust. Do you often see me coming on air to call the shout a willity? I call sit down on social media, they talk about a willity, but I go to beat you for streets, a willity. Because my wife cannot bear that noise, bear that idiotic pressure. Say, I dey call your name. I dey talk about better things for what it go change the African continent, what it go change the slavery where some of our people they put themselves again, inequipped people like you. So based on that, I want to just chip this one for you again. You not be strong boy, you not strong anywhere. All those your zigzaga raking on social media, you get mad, you not get mad. I not see you like who get mad, you not get mad. If I say I sit down, talk to you for 2 hours, you collect water. I know if you come at this level of my life, come to drag issues with you. But I go tell you, say, you don't err. Your error is too much. It's too much. You are the praise and any idiot who they support una actually or unda three dada una error too much. I mean Odafe widow. No man standing for truth. It's so painful, but I go still tell una for where me a day from one corner where I dey for enjoy my life. I say make I tell una say all this una disturbing noise. There's a bench warrant for it. A big bench warrant for it. It's not going to go easy for it to come out, to come just a cause confusion for the first of this year. One person make apology. It's not my style to come the carry person video, come the debate, come the kind of analyze somebody video. It's not my style. If somebody do apology, hey, we little boy, shut up your fucking stinking mouth and keep yourself where you belong to. For crying out loud. What's your problem, this boy? Your problem. Now I can't tell you. Your problem, you know what your problem don't gather for you. If only you know. I for think say by now you go hide, go cheat. Your equal get belly, you still make noise. Now this thing they tell you. After they burn those first 2 twins, you make noise. You not really stop for noise. You still continue this noise. This noise when they continue. The time you just go boomerang against you. Akobe will not save you. I tell you. Now me and the Omofuma they tell you. There's no Akobe to save you. Because before Akobe, there were people. Before Akobe come to limelight, Akobe now today meet, not be yesterday meet. We know the original Jugunu for that land. We are born in that land. We know the way to enter anybody, enterable. So don't look at Akobe your godfather, because he play music. You can come out. And Akobe, I want to use this medium again. Tell one Akobe, carry Richard enter as if not. You and I go collect water, double. The nonsense is too much. The nonsense not too much. Can't you call that small boy house? So make you use your name. You don't make name. One stupid idiot, one dirty asshole, stupid jobless boy in Germany using your name into disrespect. You are there. You cannot come out to speak. They bend your 2 left leg and your belly will rise up. Stupid living, stupid life when they live. No principle, no people of honor. If you be person who get sense, Akobe. Suppose you say, oh, You be person. How can Richard be calling you Godfather? Ayilala meat. They call you Godfather. You be Ayilala property as well. You be Ayilala property. You don't forget your tradition. You ain't from come. Have you forgotten your tradition at Kobe? You ain't from come. Richard, that his papa died for 10,000 naira. Just 10,000 naira. He cannot defend that one. You go TikTok, go create problem. You come Facebook, because say na be Dunga. When men don't ready to give a cane, put away belong to. It's so painful. If they look now, just a laugh. This new year will say more will enter. Just they zwar, they move up and down. Nobody picking no guess, but elder no get sense. Younger ones not get sense. What is your business with Richard? A fucking immigrant in Germany? A stupid boy? What idiot they call a pa? Those people they call that idiot a pa, which as Osadeyago. They be idiot as well. Who is Richard? Who be Richard to even ask Esther a question? Who be Richard to just come? Richard will not chop belly full. We never work. We never do anything productive for a life. He just come up for camp. He enter Germany. He go camp. He run. The month is saver. He run. Go give woman belly. He dey live under benefits. That one. Then they talk. Then they call Esther. They carry guitar. They play. The other one. Those people they look. The color say he fine. Tone that skin care whatever. Brand ambassador of evil cream. Bleach her to nonsense. What a useless people. What a use. God have mercy on that. It's so painful. Most people they talk to now, they say it's so painful. How can a person not if you talk to make all of them get sense? We come there in committee of retired ashawo, call they advise people when they don't even do prostitution. People not do anything. Retired ashawo, committee of retired ashawo, call they advise people, call they give people motivational speaking, ideologies. Retired ashawo not be like blind man. They teach blind man, whole blind man. Not be got out, they go for put. Who be the woman for this those cyberspace? We get the iota of not doing prostitution. We go talk to men. Can't talk anything good. Can't advance anything on anything good. Before they talk, if they bring out any leak tape, we stand for leak tape. We stand for Toto. We stand for idiotic, stupid ideologies. They throw all caution to the wind. Women of dishonor, women of disrepute, because their own character is not good. That's why they support evil. With tech Korah say, keep your pussy, keep her inside. No, they carry her outside. They say make it they bring her outside because they don't offer their outside. They find collaborators to be with them. Can anything good come out from this those cyberspace so-called women? Nothing good at all. Nothing good. With exception of some few from our school of thought. Nothing good will come out of them. Because of there'll be ziggy zaga. There'll be dirty, stinking asshole. They are rotten. They have dirty histories. They cannot stand for truth. They support evil. Evil. Anything way bad, they come. They stand for it. Cobra come up for house, he divorced, they celebrate her because they don't forget husband before. What is wrong with you now? What is they wrong with you now? Seriously. Richard, poor boy, wait thief children clothes for Bini before he managed entire Europe. And both people want revival. Just come out 2 million way here, he here big. He never see 2 million. He sold his conscience, he sell his soul to devil because of 2 million. Because they talk say Papa Wala. Who cares about Papa Wala? Before Papa Wala, we don't have billionaire in those state before. Before Papa Wala built Philly show, we never see multi-billionaires from those state. Ibn was there. Who is Papa Wala? When I call it celebrate, nobody fit talk truth again. Papa Wala don't first ask DNA for J-Boy. DNA for J-Boy. Monica don't accept. Has Monica responded? No. One idiot from nowhere, you can tell us say, let us cool down and let peace reign. How can there be peace without justice. There can never be peace without justice. I know you just want to talk for this matter. You see some people, they say, Papa Olado be filling station. It's good, based on the fact say one without there's no issue at stake before now. But there are better issues. Papa Olado talk. Papa Olado, is he working on the ground to make sure say Monica go do? But behind the scene, Monica, Papa Olado be friends. They be friends. They fool us. I was there. I will not stop until I get justice for J-Boy. Make una thank God say, now my wife they cool me down. If not be my wife, they cool me down. I thought they come out like Johnny Bizugbe, like Frank Victor every day. But my wife just they tell me, oh, you're bigger than this. But I still they force myself. They force myself. Say, no, I go still talk. With that, we not eradicate this mess. Monica must give us justice for J-Boy. Without that, there will be no peace. The foolish ability must go hide his shame. Without that, there will be no justice. The stupid people must go and hide his shame. Without that, there will be no justice. How will they get justice? Where idiots, ability, Domumu, Atuari, they disturb people page, they hack people page. Now someone will keep quiet. No will go come back and go silent in defeat. We will not be silent and go back in defeat. We'll keep on hitting them. Even though now one person they hear, they look us, we will tell them the truth. The fact remains, we must tell them the truth. They know rugged, they know dogged. Reach us. But they get time for evil. But we don't get that time for that evil where they manipulate. Any time we get a opportunity to talk, we always they talk as it be. Not looking whose ass is being God. We they got them big time. Our truth they give the injection. Ability is a failure. You know ramification of a man. You don't fail. You don't fail. You don't fail. You don't fail as a man. You are failed as a man. You think that to carry guitar, 1,000 people they watch you. Viewers. Now you don't even get viewers. What is that freak about viewers? That freak about viewers. Just like when maybe 500 people they watch you, now choose go come out for your mouth. If you don't have it, you cannot give it out. We'll split it out. Even with you wake up for midnight, oh, in between that, wake up enough for that midnight. The truth, now we'll talk. Ability, keep quiet. Stop that stupid propaganda. You don't go Facebook, you not get good record. You go TikTok, no good record. They don't beat you now for there. Somebody don't talk say, now I born your first daughter. You are crying. If they pay you. He who lives in glass house should throw stone. What did you and Ivie do me last year? Nothing say I forgive you now. You cannot cry every day and then you come out. If I catch you and Ivie, 12 una put together, una Godfather go take your head rapper. Una Godfather go pay for it dearly. Una Godfather go pay for it dearly. Akobe go pay for it dearly. Akobe nothing call you to order. You go come out. They ask question. You never chop belly food. You never eat belly food. You never systemize your life. Where for Europe? You don't get documents for Europe. You go to talk to people where they think they travel, they come, they go back. Who are you fooling? You carry guitar, idiots. 1,000 idiots go they watch you. You'll be happy. You don't arrive. You are made. You are somebody. But me, authoritatively tell you, say, you are the biggest fool. You are the biggest fool on planet Earth, because if I catch you a ability, nobody will save you. Nobody. No tsunami. The wave I will take gets to you, it go worse past tsunami. Volcano. You know what they call volcanic eruption? Volcanic eruption I will give you. I go lock you for my boots. I will take you to travel from Benin to Abuja. I will deliver you. First headquarter for Abuja. That's what I'm going to do to you. Idiot. If I come doing it, I go put a joy. Go know the power for Omofuma. Go know the power for someone. You go know say I come from somewhere dangerous. I'm not killing, but I go deal with una accordingly. I go deal with una accordingly. Accordingly. I think the of the war, you carry guitar for government benefit. German government they feed you. You never work, you never pay dues for life. What you don't, which dues you don't pay? Osadeye Richard, what are the dues you've paid in life? Which dues you don't go struggle? Which battle you don't go conquered? You can't they deceive gullible idiots. Go to TikTok, they deceive gullible, stupid girls. Where Arabo don't disgwangwa, Arabo don't finish for desert. They call it, they talk, not to be human being. Una be bondage to the Western world. Una be bondage to black people. Una they make Oyibo see black people finish. People like you, Richard, all your collaborators in TikTok, all those idiots waiting for TikTok. They fool the black race. Seriously. They look you say you be human being. What happened to Edo people? What happened to Edo people? Most time I go they cry. What happened to Ona? Ashawo Ona go do just to go hustle. It can't enter a bone marrow, enter a system as cancer. All of them come sit down for Facebook. Now become presenters. What do they present? What are you presenting? Which school now go to present? The joint for hustle. When they fight with themselves, kill themselves with juju, now they carry on Facebook. No one become overnight billionaire for Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg will produce Facebook. Not do this. This an iota of an inch of what you stupid idiots are doing. It's so painful. With due respect to the good ones. Not this idiots. This mistake of creation. Mistake of creation. So painful. No pressure on our head. Make una do pay show now. Any pay show will be streamed live. We are knocking every pay show henceforth. All pay show is dead. No pay show from any retired prostitute from Edo cyberspace. No pay show. Every pay show is going to be hacked and given to people freely. Said by who? And Omofuma. Every pay show henceforth is going to be hacked. No pay show. No, they're mad. I rest my case for the now.